I want to testify that I witnessed two young, brave Kenyans shot by the police. One in Kawangware called Kalasinga, and one in Kangemi called David Omondi. And the police went and wanted to bribe these families that to accept that these young men died of pneumonia. And we insisted that they must do a post-mortem. And Omondi was shot 7 times from the post-mortem. Kalasinga was shot in cold blood and was killed. These are real people. Inspector Kome must resign. He does not deserve to be in that position. Kenyans are not cockroaches. Kenyans are people, real people. And we have the right under our constitution to picket, to demonstrate, and to refuse some of the excesses that the government is doing. And we are not going to be cowed. We shall continue, and we are going to fight for these brave hearts that are lying there. That we Kenyans, we demand for justice for these families. We Kenyans, we demand for justice for any Kenyan who has been maimed or who has been killed. On behalf of the people of Nairobi, where the most of this violence occurred, I send my sincere condolences to the families and to the people of Kenya. God bless you.
Thank you, Tim. Thank you, Tim. As Tim is going back, allow me now to invite